company. It says it was sent from Q, and they are from Canada. I think these are my reusable underwear all-brand ones to go with the video that's coming up. So, just gonna unpackage these and see. Nope. These are not. These are my Dear Coach leggings. I'm pretty sure that this is what it is, my Dear Coach leggings. Nope. They're my underwear. Okay. That's the first one. So these are, I think they're the briefs or high-waisted or something like that. So they all are black. They are 4 of them. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 5. 4, 5. So I am just gonna try out these underwear along with some of the other ones that are on the market. See what kind I actually like. Let's just state this in this video. I like this right here. All the way to the back. But if you're a front bleeder, it might be an issue. So that's what I have to say about these so far. They feel really comfortable. They feel like they're cotton. I'm pretty sure they are cotton if I'm not mistaken. They don't feel like that swimsuit material like some of them do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys.